All right, now we're going to outline. I'm going to use a Sharpie fine point marker. And we're going to start at the beginning. Now, if this goes too quickly for you, head back on over to part 1 where I go a little slower and explain what we're doing. We're going to do 2 curved lines for the brim of our character's hat. We're going to do the side of the hat, a line going down. We're going to add the ribbon of our hat. Give our snow person a great nose. It could be made of coal, it could be made of berries, it could be made of carrot. Totally up to you. Add some lines in there. Make it look like a carrot. We're going to give it some eyes. Again, I'm going for a surprise look on this guy's face. So I have kind of big open eyes with beady little pupils. I've had some really interesting faces on the snowman when I teach this in a painting class, and it's so fun to see what people come up with. I've had surprised, I've had shocked, I've had like magicians, just all different kinds of very girly ones, less girly. You can add eyebrows or eyelashes. I love a good Sharpie that just colors in very quickly. We're going to add these little eyebrows. And then I'm going to give him his surprise mouth of shock and horror. What is happening? I'm going to color that in black too, because when your mouth is open, you're seeing a shadow in there. And the last step is to add our little decoration on the hat. I usually do a holly leaf and berries. I start with 3 little circled berries, a straight line, 2 curved lines like an arrow, 2 rainbows going towards each other, and then 2 curved lines coming back. And that's your basic snowman. You can continue to add details, like maybe you want to add cheeks. You could add little lines or details along these leaves and berries. You could give a pattern to your ribbon. Good. Add snowflakes, really anything you can think of to make this snowman your very own. I hope you enjoyed that drawing and continue on with some of the other fun drawings we have on this channel. See you in the next one.